I'm Alex.
I'm Olivia.
I'm Madeline. Here's your daily bulletin for Friday, May 6, 2022.
The virtue of the week is modesty. Author Louisa May Alcott teaches us that you may have a good many little gifts and virtues, but there is no need of parading them, for conceit spoils the finest genius. There is not much danger that real talent or goodness will be overlooked long, and the great charm of all power is modesty.
Congratulations to the Student of the Week, Michael Console. Michael was nominated by Miss Stewart, who said, "Michael is always smiling. He is agreeable and funny and works hard to be a good student. He is one of the first to volunteer to read out loud in class and share his opinions, without ever being overbearing or self-conscious. His positivity is infectious, and he has a good way of making classmates feel good about themselves. He is overall a good student."
CSF meets at lunch on Tuesday, May 10th for the end of the year celebration. There will be ice cream and other treats to reward you and your hard work. Miss Kagan also wants to discuss what the club will look like next year. That's Tuesday at lunch in room 125.
It's that time of the year again to return library books by May 18th and textbooks by May 27th. Student accounts will be charged for unreturned books, and an average library book is about $20. A lost math textbook may cost over $100.
The Boys and Girls Club of North Valley is interested in reopening a teen center in Paradise. They want your input. Look for one of these flyers around the campus. Scan the QR code and take the survey. The Paradise Chocolate Fest is this weekend, and the events including Chocolate Chase 5K Run. You can register for the race at Paradise Stronger or www.raceplanner.com. For more info, call Paradise Stronger at 327-7235.
Bobcat Fest is coming. Next Wednesday, May 11th, we'll have an alternative schedule, and student leadership has planned an end-of-the-year celebration carnival. Be sure to bring a bathing suit, as we will have a giant slip and slide and tons of other games and activities. Your fourth period teacher will be distributing tickets on Wednesday for the games. Bring money for carnival snacks and drinks sold by the 2022 yearbook class.
The 2022 yearbooks will be distributed during Bobcat Fest. If you haven't purchased a yearbook, it's not too late. We only have 20 copies left. See Miss Martin in room 138 or go by the main office and pick up an order form.
Mrs. Nahara is still looking for some junior girls to join the Daisy Chain for graduation. If you're interested, stop by and see her in room 123.
On Wednesday, May 18th, there will be an open house, job fair, and car show at the Butte College Automotive Technology Center on Skyway in Chico. It's from 5 to 7 p.m. If you're interested in the automotive field, Butte College offers a strong program.
Here's a few items for seniors. If you're planning on attending Butte College but you missed the registration counselors on Tuesday, it's not too late to schedule another appointment. See your counselor in the main office.
Tickets for the Safe and Sober Grad Night party are now on sale. Stop by the main office before May 27th. Tickets are only $10, and there will be a live DJ, a cash cube, casinos, tables, a lot of food, games, activities, and prizes. It will be a ton of fun. Contact paradisegradnight@gmail.com if you have any questions.
Miss Voigt is recruiting 25 seniors to continue our tradition to do a graduation walk in their caps and gowns through the 3 elementary sites, Paradise Ridge Elementary, Cedarwood, and Pine Ridge, and Paradise Junior High. The walk will be May 24th, leaving PHS by bus at 9 a.m. and returning at noon. Sign up in the main office.
Here's your patriotic message. On this date in 1935, the Works Progress Administration opened, allowing thousands of unemployed Americans decent paying jobs on a wide range of public works projects, including parks, playgrounds, major infrastructure projects, schools, and post offices. During its 8-year existence, the WPA was responsible for employing 8.5 million Americans. Some of the projects that were built include Camp David in Maryland, LaGuardia Airport in New York, and Doubleday Field in Cooperstown, New York.
Happy birthday today to Samantha Mattery.
Happy birthday tomorrow to Daniel Hill.
Have a great day, Bobcats. Have a great prom night and rise up.
Why do you have to do it so weird? Tickets for the Safe and Sober graduation party are now on sale.
Stop!